Hi guys, today we talk about Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. Its launch on March 2024. The dimensions of Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra: height 6.545 inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight is 224 grams, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Zenfone 11 Ultra, it comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is 6.78 inches. The screen to body ratio is 88.2% and the resolution is 1080p. The refresh rate is 144 Hz with 2500 nits peak of brightness, and it's come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. The platform of this mobile, it's come with Android 14 operating system, and the chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the GPU is Adreno 750. Let's talk about the memory of this device. It comes with 12 GB and 16 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. Let's go to the camera setup. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto, and it records 8K 24 fps video with main cameras. The selfie camera of this device is 32 megapixel and it records 1080p with selfie camera. Let's talk about the battery. It comes with 5500 mAh battery and 65 watt wired charging, and it supports 15 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wired charging. The common and the feature, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP68 dust and water resistance. The Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra price is $899.